non-alcoholic skooma. What are you talking about? Non-alcoholic skooma. Maybe you can't have alcohol. Maybe you can't drink alcohol. Maybe you just don't want the alcohol. Whatever the case is, of course, there is a way to make skooma without using all the other alcohol stuff. So the main flavoring in the skooma is really just coming from all this crap right here. So what we're going to do is, instead of leaving it to steep in alcohol for a month, we're going to take all of that crap and we're going to put it in the syrup and let it cool down completely. So basically just put it in there as soon as you get done dissolving the sugar, and then let it cool down completely, and then strain it off like you normally would anything else through cheesecloth inside of a thing. And make sure you make a good bit of it too, because otherwise, you're going to end up running short. And this stuff's actually really good. Then what you're going to do is you're going to take one of these stupid things, take some ice if you're a psychopath, take a little bit of your syrup mix, about a shot. I can't really measure a shot. And then take you some club soda. This is not product placement. Pour it over the top like so. Do a little stir around if you have a thing to stir it around with, and let's see how we did. Yeah, it tastes just like skooma. So everything that makes up skooma, the apricots, the cardamom, the vanilla, all that flavor is in there. Everything is incorporated well. The only thing you're missing is the alcohol. By the way, go make sure you watch this video right here. Why haven't you watched that yet? Like, share, subscribe it. Go do other things with this syrup stuff. You can put other things in there, other kind of flavors. You can boil spaghetti in it, make an Italian cry.
I ask you how you are.